Yunda i-OCC, Low Consistency Continuous Pulping stock preparation system has the advantages such as energy saving, high reliability, high level of automation, less stickiness content, and high yield. The system retains only major towers like dump and final storage towers to realize the idea of less intermediate stock chests, which can save AX 20% of the floor spaces. The EcoJet mixing technology is applied in the coarse and fine screening stages, which reduces 3 intermediate chests and the corresponding pumps and agitator. The whole process could be equipped with automatic control system, which provides easy operations like group start/stop and reliable runnabilities. At the beginning of the process, the waste paper bales are fed into the bale breaker by a chain conveyor, and then fully loosen inside the drum through continuous rubbing, thereby reducing hits on the pulper, accelerating the water absorption and increasing pulping efficiency. The loose waste paper enters the low consistency continuous pulping system through the D-type hydraulic pulper. Specially designed vat facilitates quicker and more frequent contact between the rotor and the pulp, enhancing the disintegration capability. The system employs a novel energy-saving rotor, subjected to special hardening treatment along with the screen plate, ensuring a prolonged operational lifespan. The raised pulp chamber creates a sedimentation groove around it, effectively reducing friction between the rotor and large, heavy impurities. During the process of waste paper entering the D-type hydraulic pulper, wire, plastic, torn fabric, ropes, and other entangled impurities continuously form a twisted rag. This rag is pulled out by ragger and cut into suitable lengths, and then sent to the subsequent reject treatment system. In the pulping process, some light and heavy impurities flow into the trash well for gravity separation. An unmanned intelligent grapple system periodically captures the heavy impurities that have settled at the bottom of the trash well, retrieves them for fiber recovery in the reject washing well, and transports the cleaned heavy rejects for external disposal. Light impurities and pulp overflow into the detrasher, which is operated by a DCS or PLC control system. The back flushing, screening, discharging, washing, operating parameters can be set in real time. The accept, after passing through the screen plate, is sent to dump tower. The light impurities inside the detrasher, after being washed by white water, enter the drum screen, which washes the tailings. The recovered fiber containing white water returns to the pulper, and the washed light impurities, after being dewatered, are sent to the reject treatment system for further processing. The accept from the pulper is pumped to the first and second stage high-consistency cleaners by a discharge pump. After the first stage high-consistency cleaning, the accepted pulp is sent to the dump tower. The reject goes into the settling tank. After separating the heavy impurities, the accepted pulp is then directed to the dump tower or returned to the pulper. By means of junk trap will be dumped to the sand separator to collect the sands from water. The stock after the dump tower is pumped into the coarse screening system by entering from the tangential direction of the super screen. Reject of the first stage goes to the second stage via one EcoJet mixer directly, and reject of the second stage goes further, though a float purger and a reject separator to recover as much fiber as possible. Finally, the light impurities are removed from the system and collected for further treatment. Accept of the first stage coarse screen goes to the fractionation system, where long fiber fraction and short fiber fraction will be separated as per the setting. Short fiber goes to the thickener, and after thickening it goes to the short fiber storage tower. Long fiber enters the LC cleaner plant in 4 stages design. The conical shaft of the cleaner itself generates a rotating current. Heavy particles are pressed against the shaft by centrifugal forces and light particles drift to the center of the cone. In the fine screening stage, ODA screen basket, which is branded by Yunda, provides high throughput and helps to remove the stickies in a high efficient and energy-saving way. The final stage of the fine screen has additional under the rotor dilution. which helps to either reduce excessive thickening of the reject inside the screen basket. Accepts from different stages are all going forward and combined together and fed into the long fiber disc thickener. The long fiber mat is knocked off by high-pressure spray water of the thickener. The stock is discharged by a double screw conveyor and enters the thermal dispersion system. Long fiber is treated by screw press, plug screw feeder and heater, and finally enters the thermal dispersion. The stock is conveyed to the long fiber storage tower through a buffer tank, and the long fiber stock is pumped into the double disc refiner. Yunda i-OCC double disc refiner is reliable, energy-saving, and high quality of beating. i-OCC is not only good in stock preparation, but also good in reject handling, which it provides human-machine harmony, green and environment-friendly, and is the priority for OCC treatment.